Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. And so if you've been on social media at any point these past couple months, then you may have heard of this viral recipe called feta pasta. And you guys, this has been blowing up so much to the point to where in some locations you can't even find feta cheese. But with that being said, you know I had to make it. But I'm just gonna put my own little twist on it. And so if you wanna see how I make it, then keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm taking a large casserole dish with some cherry tomatoes, and I just cut the cherry tomatoes in half. And I wasn't able to find blocked feta, but I did find this feta crumble, which is just as good. And this was a pretty big container, so I used about half of the container, maybe a little bit more than half. Just fill her up. And I'm just drizzling that with some extra virgin olive oil. And of course we gotta season it with some salt and pepper, and I'm just using pink Himalayan sea salt, and of course some freshly ground black pepper. And just giving that a good mix. I just want to make sure the cheese and the cherry tomatoes are coated with that extra virgin olive oil. Okay, that looks really good. And just give it an even layer just so it can roast evenly, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so while that is cooking, I'm going to cook up some chicken. And so I'm taking a pan with some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just using boneless, skinless chicken breast here, and I'm using about 3 to 4 chicken tenders. Okay, and I'm just going to season that with some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Italian seasoning, some freshly ground black pepper, and for a little spice, some red chili flakes. And just give that a good mix, and I'm just going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And oh my gosh, look at how delicious and juicy that chicken looks. It's going to pair perfectly with the pasta. Okay, so now that our chicken is all cooked, I'm just going to put it in a bowl and set it to the side while we cook our pasta. Okay, so I just pulled our cheese and tomatoes out of the oven. They look really delicious and juicy and roasted, and I'm just breaking up the cherry tomatoes with my wooden spoon and mixing that with the feta cheese that's gone all nice and melted. And now I'm adding our pasta, and I'm using rotini pasta. I like that the spirals really grab that cheese. And I'm just giving that a good mix. Make it all nice and gooey. And now I'm adding some fresh basil that I just cut into thin strips. Or chiffonade if you want to get fancy. And I'm just giving that a good mix. And it's going to add a bunch of different color. And there you have it. And there you have it, the famous but yet delicious feta pasta. And I definitely see why this went viral, because you guys, simple ingredients, delicious and fast and easy to make. What more could you ask for? And so I'm going to definitely be putting this in my weekly rotation of recipes. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos of mine. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.